Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing is smooth. Turn on Bluetooth and make the phone discoverable, and make sure the watch has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Open the manufacturer's companion app right now. The app is what negotiates settings and permissions. Once done, follow the app prompts to start scanning for nearby watches. You do this because the app exchanges secure keys and configures notifications, which prevents later connection failures. Now you authorize and configure the connection so data flows correctly. Tap the detected watch, compare the on-screen code on both devices, and approve the match. This ensures a secure link. Next, grant the app permissions for notifications, contacts, and location. These are necessary for calls, alerts, and fitness tracking to work. Make sure background refresh is enabled, otherwise syncs stall. Finally, select what to sync and which watch face to apply so the watch behaves like you expect. Finish by letting the initial sync complete. Larger health and app transfers can take several minutes, so be patient. Once sync is done, test calls, messages, and notification delivery to confirm everything works. If an app or contact list is missing, check permissions and try toggling them off and on. If things go wrong, restart both devices and repair. This clears transient Bluetooth states and forces a fresh key exchange, usually the quick fix for dropped connections or stalled syncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.